Hi everyone, this is Vishal Mehra.
Hi, this is Ritika.
Welcome to our channel. This is Stylox Jeets. This video is for all our non-Hindi viewers, those who are missing Stylox as they are not able to understand Hindi language. So we thought, let's make a video and showcase all our product range, what we do, how we work. So let's start it.
Started in 2014, and with Stylox we are offering you denim jeans, men's t-shirt, men's shirts, the sweatshirts, the winter wear, I would say. So the entire casual range for men's is what Stylox is offering you currently. And in Stylox, what our motive is that we just want to make sure that all the people out there in India or abroad, someone who wants to work with a brand which has a motive to grow together. That's what our motive is. We are not only looking at this thing that we are, we just want to sell products and make money out of it. That's not the only thing. That's not the end. What we want to do here is that we want to make, a big community with Stylox wherein people are working together, growing together, earning together. And that's what our motive is. And apart from that, now if I talk about from the product front, now in Stylox, whatever we offer you, all comes with the guarantee of quality. Quality is what we are focusing on, and if you are focusing on quality and if you want to deliver quality to your customers, we would be the right choice. Right, so we would be the right choice for you because our major focus, like everything revolves around the quality. See, at the end of the day, if you are delivering quality to your customer, they are ready to pay for it.
Customer is ready to pay when it has a quality. Customer is looking for good quality product at a right price. Look after small things in our product. We'll explain you, we'll showcase all the products range in this video. So keep watching this video. So we look at small nitty-gritties of the product, that what kind of threads is used, what kind of button quality. Fabrics are all from mills, big mills like Arvind, Raymond's. We all use all these fabrics. So starting from the fabric to finishing, we keep everything very intact.
So now I'll tell you, Stylox is for all those retailers who are actually looking for a benefit in the margin. Now, how we will fit in there is because first benefit is that this is a direct manufacturing to retail concept. We are directly supplying to the retailers. So that fills the major gap. That gives you the direct margin. That is the first point. The second would be that now you all are selling good quality stuff. You are having, your showrooms in standalone markets or the malls, but you're not able to make those big margins.
Because brand doesn't give you that margin.
So they're not giving you those margins. People who are having franchises are also earning very little margins because they have huge expenses to take care of. The rentals are very high. The other expenses are very high. So the margins are very small there. So that is the gap which we are filling. You can sell the same quality product in the same shop where you are selling a high quality brand and get bigger margins. So that is the gap which we are filling, and that is the right audience we are trying to pass on this message to, that if you are looking for a brand like that, Stylox would be the right choice for you.
Now I'll tell you how Stylox offer you the product. There are two ways that you can get the Stylox product range. First of all, our minimum quantity is 50 pieces. You can start 50 pieces anyone can purchase who are a small retailer having a big showroom to start with. Our second big offer that we give, in which we have mentioned in all our other videos also, that is a partner store concept. Partner store is something which we offer to all the retailers also, and those who have a shop in the mall. It's like a concept.
And this is also for those who are planning to open a new shop.
That's right. Exactly. So this is a very good concept which is running very good in the market. That is, we give a wall in your showroom or a shop so that you can keep all Stylox product in one rack. That will include denim jeans, trousers, shirts, t-shirts, everything in one wall. In our specific, you have to keep all the Stylox product in one wall. So that's the right way. How you become a Stylox partner is you have to do minimum purchasing of 1 lakh or 200 pieces at one go. If you do that, you become Stylox partner.
And there are a lot of benefits to it.
All the benefits I'll explain you one by one. Biggest benefit is we give you complete branding material for your shop. Along with that, we give you a LED board, we give you posters, we give you carry bags, and we give you a VIP membership card.
Right.
And with that card, which will add so many benefits, which will explain you, or you can call on the given numbers.
And then we can explain you, because there's so much, we cannot explain everything in one video, because we have been making videos in Hindi regularly and we have been telling this thing in separate videos, but we are trying to combine everything together in this one. We are not looking for a vendor-client relationship that, okay, come and buy the stock and that's it. End of the story. That's not the case here. When you get associated with us as a partner, we are always there to help you. We have an RM, which is a relationship manager. He'll be in touch with you from day one. The day you visit our office and become a partner with us, he'll be associated with you. He will guide you for every branding, for
business growth.
For business growth, what kind of marketing you can do from your store, what is working for you in your market already. He will understand the entire story and guide you as per your
for all
area.
the VM, for all the display,
right,
for all the offers you can put in the shop, everything they will guide.
He'll be in touch with you regularly. So it's a long journey. When you are starting up a showroom or you are already running a showroom, that's not on day one that you need everything. It's a regular thing.
Exactly.
With the stock supply, if you get these kind of suggestions and help, I think this is the best thing which one can get, because there are a lot of people who have the money to invest but they don't know how to go ahead with it. They feel that, oh, I don't have a background of running a retail showroom, or I don't want to end up opening a small shop and just sit there for the entire age. No, if you want to do a big business, you want to start somewhere, then you can actually, then again Stylox is fitting your requirement there, because it is not only offering you products you can go and buy in the entire India or in the entire world. Now we will show you our product range, what all you can get from us, and how the quality which we are promising you, we will show you that quality and you can judge on yourself that how it's different from the other products. Let's start with it. So this is the entire range. I think this is full of all fabrics and different shades. Okay, so let's have some detailing on this product.
So you can see this denim is a knitted fabric. It has some paint work done on it and some little bit of damaging. It is a full stretch. We'll show you this in detail. This is a YKK zipper which we use. This kind of finishing you will get in all our range.
Let me show you from inside.
Starting from labeling to threads to this deep level working which we do. This is a printing inside this. All the 12 fabric which we use, you can get piping here, clean work. YKK original zip we use every time, the labeling. So our MRP, I'll show you also, this is our MRP starts from 999 and it goes up to 2299. So few more denims we will show you.
So all different shades denims are available here. I think there are different fabrics. If you can explain the fabrics also.
So as I mentioned, we use Raymond's, we use Arvind. So this is Arvind fabric.
This is also a best-selling product.
This is a knitted fabric which
So this is why I said. So this is why I said that if you're selling your products in a showroom, Stylox can match up to that quality, because look at this denim. This is completely international taste. This is not something which is available in any of the local markets. This is something which is selling in Zara or any big brand. So now you can actually sell similar taste, similar type of denims in your showroom with bigger margins and still a better price to a customer.
So this you can see. This is a cloud wash denim. Generally we have sizes from 28 to 36. In few articles we have 38 also. And we have two fits majorly, which is slim fit and ankle fit. So you will get two fits with all these design you can get.
This is also nice.
Now you can also get these kind of lowers from us. This is a 4-way lower, full stretch, good quality, at a decent price. And you can get 3-4 colors in this. Now I'll show you some denims. These are not denims. Now I'll show you some 4-way product. This is a future product which is going to come in the market. Already there, but going to the future. It's 4-way lycra fabric, full stretch, and stretch in this way also. That's why it's called 4-way. So we have 7 to 8 colors in this. We have put elastic inside this belt, so it's very comfortable. So you can get this kind of finishing inside this. This is a melange fabric, melange 4-way. You generally don't get this, and you will not face any problem of size issue. As you make full sizes, there will not be any issue in the pattern fitting. It will be complete brand pattern, brand fitting. So let me show you some very good quality shirts that we make. It's a blue color shirt. You see this quality of shirt. You will not get this quality of shirt anywhere. This is very subtle, very good quality fabric. All these fabrics are from mills, directly from the mills. These are not the local mill fabric which will get fade away in few washes. That will not happen in this particular shirts for sure. You can see the finishing. You will get to know yourself. See the kind of embroidery has been done, and see the kind of finishing. It will get better with every wash. It will not shrink at all. Peach color shirt, very nice, very contrast button. You can get all sizes will be proper sizes, brand sizes. There will not be any small sizes that if it's written as medium, then it will be medium only. Chest would be 42 for medium. That's how it goes. So you can get 3-4 colors in this. All basic colors we have: black, white, blue, peach, and then this is a grey shade which I'm showing you. Very good quality again. You can see the range. You can get branding on the button also. We can show you some printed shirts. Again, very subtle pieces. It goes everywhere, entire India, pan India. These kind of shirt works. You can pair it with denim. It goes really well. We get 3 types of white shades in our product. This is again very fine quality. It goes with formal and casual both. Now this is twill fabric. It goes with casual denims. It will go really well. This is a Dobby fabric. It can go in formal also. So these 3 variety of shirts in white you can get. As you have seen all the entire range of our product, this is a very limited which we have showed you. To get more details of our product, you can call on the below numbers. Our team will get back to you and they will share all the range on your WhatsApp number. If somebody doesn't take call, you can drop a WhatsApp message on the given number. So one important thing, that's a transport. We do pan India. We send all our products to pan India level. Even we do exports also. I hope you like this video. So do like, share and subscribe our video, and to get regular updates on our video. Based on your response, we'll do more videos in other languages also as we are planning. So thanks for watching.
Thank you.